Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts in Kajabi. Adding custom fonts to your landing pages gives you complete control over your brand's visual identity and helps your site stand out with unique typography that matches your style perfectly. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the Login button and enter your credentials to sign into your account. If you're new to Kajabi, you can click Get Started to create an account and follow the setup prompts. After logging in, look at the left navigation panel where you'll find all your main options. Click on Websites and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Landing Pages and click on it. This section houses all the landing pages you've created for your site. On the Landing Pages screen, you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Choose the landing page where you want to add your custom font and click on it. This will open the landing page editor, which is where you'll make all your design modifications. Inside the editor, focus on the left side menu where all your objects and elements are located, click on the Settings tab, and from there, look for an option called Custom Code. This is the key feature that allows you to inject custom font styling into your page. Keep this window open because we'll be pasting code here in just a moment. Now open a new browser tab and head over to Google Fonts by typing fonts.google.com into your address bar. Google Fonts offers thousands of free, professional quality typefaces you can use on your site. Browse through the available fonts by scrolling down, or use the filter options in the upper left corner to narrow your search by style, weight, or language. Once you've found a font you like, click on it to open its details. You'll land on the font overview page, which shows all the available weights and styles. Look to the top right of your screen and click on Get Embed Code. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose which platform you're using. Since we're working with Kajabi's web-based landing pages, select Web, then click on the radio button labeled at Import, which gives you the code format we need. Click Copy Code to save it to your clipboard. Head back to your Kajabi landing page editor and navigate to that custom code section we opened earlier. Paste the code you just copied from Google Fonts directly into this field. Once pasted, click Save in the top right corner. Your custom font is now embedded and ready to use across your landing page elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.